Welcome to Class with Kumar, where today's lesson is all about life's little glitches. Ever notice how life can be like a video game? At the start, everything feels like a breeze, right? You're cruising along, thinking, I've got this in the bag. But then, boom. You hit a tough level or lose all your lives. Suddenly, it's game over, except it's not. That's right. Just like in a game, you've got options. You could throw in the towel and say, this is too hard. Or, you can take a deep breath, hit that restart button, and give it another shot. Life's like that too. When you face challenges or setbacks, don't just quit. Pause, reassess, and then hit restart. Remember, every challenge is just a new level to conquer. So, stay in the game, keep pushing forward, and make the most out of every opportunity. Thanks for tuning in to Class with Kumar. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next class.